spring wind is kicking, and I'm not sure if the C1, 2, or the 3 setting I'm on. I don't get it. I guess Pro was on and I was on default, and it just changes everything. And whatever Pro is on in default, I'll try to write down later on if I remember. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. I tell you, trying to get used to the customs controls. And it's not working out well for me until I get used to it. But every time I would, want a different custom, it starts off at C1. So if I got 5 customs, I want to get on to the 5th custom, it's going to be back to C1. And that's if I want to change it, is what I'm saying. Now, rather me seeing auto low light enabled, I want to see a nice big C3 when I start up, so I know exactly which one I'm on. I don't think DJI will do that for us. Give us a little hint. Just have that little corner saying something in yellow. And I can't see it with my glasses on. You can with your eagle eyes today, but when you get to be our age, you're gonna have glasses one day. Well, you're saying, where all that white stuff go? It's only on the lawns and the car covers. Most of it's gone. It was a slushy white snow. It didn't stay that long, but it did go about 6 inches in our area. Disappeared just like that. I've been watching more and more CapCut videos, and I try to watch Movavi videos. I can't find that many of Movavi, and that, kind of like a turn off of getting that editor. There's not many out there. It's a nice editor, trust me. I'm still talking about it, still thinking about it. But when CapCut's got a ton of videos out there and different people, and Movavi only got 1 person, 2, that's where I'm just going to stick with CapCut. But I like to get Movavi. I like its platform, and it's only got 2 things I like about it, I can say. Today's editor, I would say, blurring the face, blurring an area, and motion tracking are 2 important parts, besides having a background removal of just you. For me, I'm going to do some CapCut practicing tutorials at my end, and I'm going to have some fun doing it. I'm going to do some titles in front, behind. I'm going to try to do some blur, background cutout, and those are the main ones we use to do our video. Everything else takes a long time, like making a circle, having it silhouette, and then have you in it with a number of people and bouncing around. Well, those effects I leave for somebody else. I like the artificial intelligence characters where I make my text, write it down, put it in there, and let it analyze. And then take the text and hide it. Get rid of it. Don't show it. Put it to the side and have that person up there. And
take the text, hide it, get rid of it, don't show it, and put to the side, and third person up there, do your thing. Oh man, that will make me a smash hit. Oh yeah, that will help out. I will give it a shot. I will give it a try.
Well, it's time for me to get on out of here. I had a good fun talk, a walk, extremely cold. That's why I'm all dressed up like this. And I see you on many other videos to come. Later.